Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Amazon account without credit card. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to search in Google Amazon.com and open the Amazon.com. Once you open that, you simply need to click on hello how, and you need to simply sign in first into your account. So let me sign in first. So then you need to click on create your account. So here I'm going to put a name. So I'm going to use a temp mail to create an account. So let me put a password here. So it is okay. Then I need to select this temporary email address. Then you need to click on continue. Okay, so you can see that solve this puzzle to protect your account. So here you can find a puzzle. So let me click on solve puzzle. Okay, so now you can see that I solve a puzzle. Once you done that, then you need to put an OTP that you receive. So it will appear here. So let me select OTP. Okay, then I need to copy and paste that here and click on verify. And if you want, you can add your number, but I do not want to add my number. Once you complete that step, you are simply access to your Amazon account, and you can use that without credit card. So this is a process by which you can create Amazon account without credit card. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.